I eat lunch at 12 p.m.
The meeting is on Tuesday.
She goes on vacation in July. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
My birthday is on May 15th.
We met in 2015. The store closes at 8 p.m.
The conference starts on the 20th of March.
They moved to a new house in 2021. The movie starts at 7:30 p.m.
We clean the house on Sundays.
It snows a lot in January. I wake up at 6 a.m.
My sister's wedding is on April 30th.
The course begins in the fall. The sun sets at 6:45 p.m.
I have English class on Friday.
The trees bloom in April. The meeting ends at 4:30 p.m.
He goes to the gym on Mondays and Thursdays.
We like to ski in winter. I start work at 9 o'clock.
The football game is on Thursday.
Life was different in the 1990s. Dinner is at 7 o'clock sharp.
She is busy on Fridays.
In the morning, I like to exercise. I take a break at 10 a.m.
The party is on Friday.
She moved to the city in January. The train arrives at 3 p.m.
I have a meeting on Monday.
We go skiing in winter. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
The festival starts on the 4th of July.
Flowers bloom in spring. Dinner is at 7:30 p.m.
The meeting is on December 1st.
They bought their house in 2008. I study at night.
The exam is on the 10th of June.
They wear coats in autumn. He works at 9 to 5.
My brother arrives on Tuesday.
In ancient times, people told stories around the fire. She exercises at 6 a.m.
He has an appointment on the 2nd of March.
School starts in September. I have English class at 2 p.m.
The webinar is on Thursday.
In 2020, we stayed at home a lot. The sun sets at 8:30 p.m.
I will see you on your wedding day.
He lived in France in the 1990s. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
We have a picnic on Labor Day.
In the 21st century, technology is everywhere. Breakfast is served at 8 a.m.
She has yoga class on Wednesday mornings.
In the future, we hope to travel more. Let's meet at 6 o'clock for dinner.
The movie premiere is on the 25th.
Flowers start to grow in the springtime. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I play with my friends on Sunday.
I go to school in September. Mom cooks dinner at night.
We have a party on New Year's Eve.
It snows in winter. I start work at 9 a.m.
We have dinner together on Sundays.
It gets cold in the winter. We eat lunch at noon.
Let's meet on Friday.
My birthday is in December. I brush my teeth at bedtime.
We go to the park on Saturday.
I swim in summer. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
We celebrate Easter on Sunday.
It rains in April. I go to bed at night.
Halloween is on October 31st.
I wear a coat in winter. I watch cartoons at 9 a.m.
We have a picnic on the weekend.
We travel in December. I take a bath at night.
My party is on Friday.
She was born in 1990. I eat lunch at noon.
We go to the beach on summer vacation.
I build a snowman in winter. I go to school at 8 a.m.
We visit grandparents on holidays.
I plant flowers in spring. He leaves work at 5 p.m.
The store opens on Sunday.
We play in the snow in winter. They arrive at the airport at 5:45.
We have a test on Wednesday.
We have exams in June. The meeting is at 9:30.
He was born on January 1st.
The movie was made in 2020. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Our anniversary is on the 1st of June.
The competition takes place in spring. The alarm went off at 5 o'clock.
There is a full moon on the 4th of July.
In 2001, I started working at my current job. Let's meet at the cafe at 6:15.
There's a big sale on Black Friday.
The historical event happened in 1776. I check my emails at 8 a.m.
My next race is on April 26th.
He lived in Spain in 2005. I set my alarm for at 6:30 a.m.
The new store opens on Thursday.
In winter, the days are shorter. Breakfast is ready at 7:15 a.m.
On my birthday, I love to eat cake.
In the evening, the city lights up. The film starts at 6 p.m.
Her wedding is on the 20th of April.
We have holidays in summer. I will be ready at 5 o'clock.
On April 1st, many people play pranks.
She is planning to travel in 2024. I'll see you at the cinema at 8 p.m.
The report is due on Friday.
The trees lose their leaves in autumn. The show begins at 7 o'clock sharp.
The marathon is on Sunday morning.
The lecture was in October. The film starts at 6 p.m.
Her wedding is on the 20th of April.
We have holidays in summer. I work out at 5 a.m.
She has piano lessons on Wednesday.
The movie was set in the 1960s. I will call you at noon.
He plays football on Saturdays.
She lived in Mexico in 2010. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!